Careful! He's got the power of voyage! I'll try to trap you with it! Thanks! Comrade Ketchup, at your service, Cat Noir, Ladybug!
Voyage!
Monarch gave him the power of the Miraculous of the horse.
And if Collector has new apps to play with on his tablet, this isn't gonna be easy.
I've been given the power of teleportation! I've been given the power of teleportation!
Watch out!
You're going to upgrade my collection with your Miraculous! How many times have you used the power of illusion to fool me, Ladybug and Cat Noir? Today, it's my turn! Pollen, Mulo, Kalki, your powers are now mine! Power of sublimation! This will allow me to acquire the power of my choosing, Orico! Your power is now mine! I know what you're hoping for, Kwamis. You're hoping I'll lose control of my power, but I didn't become Monarch for nothing. I can accumulate up to 5 miraculous powers now. You'll never see your beloved guardian again. Voyage! Venom! Multitude! You might be able to evade 1 hit or 2, but 8? I don't think so. Especially if you don't see them coming! Sublimation! Power of invisibility!
You'll never catch him!
Lucky Charm! Shredded cheese?
Flag would be happy.
Voyage!
What are you afraid of? There's nothing visible. Got it! Lunchtime!
Unite! Ladybug, you can't save me. I wanted to change out of love for my son, but I only continued to disappoint him.
It's not too late. Anyone can change. Let go of your anger. Reject the Akuma. I'm sure your son loves you and will forgive you.
Thank you, Ladybug. You have freed me from evil.
No! Power up!
Dark Wings fall!